When I first saw it, it was amazing. It reminded me of the day I picked it up in 1997. It looked exactly the same. Getting Thompson to redo this tractor for me was a good investment because it's a good piece of equipment. It had good bones. It's still going to be a good tractor for my company for a long time to come.
So the reason we decided to rebuild this machine instead of buying a new one is it means a lot to the family. It was a very good purchase for Dad back in the 1990s to be able to extend his business to where we are today.
We are a general contractor in municipal and utilities. We do underground utilities, build roads and streets, and do land clearing and dig ponds and just whatever we can do. It started out with just one dozer and just been blessed and growed and had some good salespeople from Thompson to move me along and point me in the right direction. And now we have 24, 25 pieces of Thompson tractors. My son, when he was smaller, he would ride on a pillow and sleep for 4 or 5 hours while I pushed dirt. And another reason I rebuilt it, my grandson's going to get this tractor, and I hope he enjoys it, and it lasts him 30 years.
This machine had a motor issue several years ago, and it was rebuilt one time, and it just did not seem to have the power. But after it came back from the Thompson rebuild, this dozer is top notch, hands down.
Working with Thompson, it's been great. They've worked with me and worked all the bugs out and the problems that I had, and we're still here today buying tractors from them.
I believe everybody that looks at this program should look at it with wonder. What can be restored and how it can be brought back to life, and you see right now this machine looks like the day it rolled off the floor.